Installation guide for the GCC Spirit LS Pro SmartBOX and Alu grid cutting table. Open the top lid and front door. Remove the X and Y magnetic rulers from the machine. Place the SmartBOX on the working table. Please ensure that the exhaust side is facing the back door. Open the back door, and remove the original duct adapter box from the machine's back door panel. Install the movable bushing into the ventilation opening of the back door. Pass the exhaust pipe through to the ventilation opening of the back door and install it on the SmartBOX, and then tighten it. Close the back door. Apply 4 metal gaskets and screws to secure the SmartBOX to the working table. Remove 4 rubber stands from the Alu grid cutting table. Place the Alu grid cutting table on the SmartBOX. Fix the Alu grid cutting table and SmartBOX with 2 thumb screws. Fix the Alu grid cutting table and SmartBOX through the hinge with 4 screws. Place the X and Y magnetic rulers on Alu grid cutting table. Close the top lid and front door. The installation is completed.